Shell, tracking the radar. Looks like most of the state now is covered with it. And how much will we get?
Yeah, so this is not a big storm system, but obviously this is going to have more of an impact than if it had happened earlier in the season before 3 weeks of 4 big storms happening here since the blizzard back at the end of January. Now, it's light to moderate snow falling this morning on already slippery roadways, going to just add to the headaches for us. So as we track this on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar, initially it comes in light, but then it turns more moderate. We've been seeing that down across South County, Aquidneck Island, starting to fill in New Bedford as well. So our threat tracker Futurecast is in the high category with minor snow, but slick roadways and that weight of the snow on the rooftops. One of the big concerns here as we continue with this unusually active and cold weather pattern that we've been in this month of February. Tonight, the snow will be over. Still seeing some impacts though, and additionally for tomorrow as well. Visibility is still pretty good in Providence. It will drop as the snow intensity picks up. Just started to see some of the flakes flying here. You can actually see that if you look hard on our city cam. 12 degrees, feels like 2. Winds from the north at 7. Humidity still at only 52%. Well, we've got the snow that's picked up in intensity over URI. The sidewalk here almost completely snow covered again. And the visibility down to about a mile Newport and Westerly, under 2 miles New Bedford at T.F. Green Airport. And the visibility still fine up towards Boston, Smithfield, Taunton, Plymouth right now, but that will change as the morning goes on. We're talking about just several hours here of light to moderate steady snowfall. That's for the finish of the morning and into the very early afternoon hours before it starts to wind down. Of 8-9 degrees up in the northern part of the state, lower teens, Providence down to the coastline with light winds. It's not having as much of a wind chill. Here's what we're thinking for amounts by, and this is really by late afternoon and into this evening. A dusting to an inch for inland areas, 1 to 2 at the coastline, 2 to 4 for Cape Cod and the islands. So the morning commute with that snow moving in, you can expect some slippery travel. For the evening commute, maybe some leftover icy spots, temperatures in the teens and 20s. Here's our storm system, and it's making its way into southern New England with snow and ice falling all the way down into the Carolinas this morning. Here's the back edge of the snowfall. So this is not going to last all day, but we do get clipped with it. And again, accumulations expected in our area, though mostly on the light side as the storm tracks well south and east. So expect the snow today. Ends between 1 and 3 for most, may linger a little longer in eastern Massachusetts with those slick roadways, one of the biggest concerns. Here's another look at that accumulation amount. So 1 inch to 2 inches down near the coast. 7-day Futurecast will fall to about 10 overnight tonight. I have us mostly cloudy on Wednesday, maybe a flurry around on Wednesday. Wednesday night into Thursday now looking like potentially a snow shower or 2. Frigid temperatures return. We're back into the teens for highs Thursday, below 0 Friday and Saturday mornings. The weekend now, we're looking at 24 Saturday. Still looks dry during the day on Saturday. We have snow in the forecast for Saturday night. Not a major storm, but I do look for some accumulations, especially through Sunday morning. Looking like snow, maybe briefly mixing with some sleet depending on the track of it. But the theme here for the next 7 days, and it looks like even beyond that, will be for cold and active weather to continue. Get the